Cold word. Yeah. And like that first time, niggas in my math class, long hair, brown skin with some fat ass. Sat beside me, used to laugh, had mad jokes. The teacher always got mad when the past notes. It started off so innocent. She had a vibe and the nigga started digging it. I was a young and straight crushing, trying to play this shit cool. But a nigga couldn't wait to get to school. Cause when I seen them thighs on it, and them hips on it, and them lips on it, got me daydreaming, man, what? I'm thinking how she rides on it, if she sits on it, if she licks on it, make it hard for me to stand up.